Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friend, this type of video is first on the YouTube platform, that TCS complete FAQ means frequently asked question, all categories queries solved, guaranteed, no need to watch any other video. and इस वीडियो को आप लोग जो है सेव कर लो, बुकमार्क कर लो, डाउनलोड कर लो, जो करना है कर लो, क्योंकि इस वीडियो में I will going to discuss that each and every points related to all your queries, like for your BGC experience, program, non criminal affidavit, medical certificate, experience letter, each and every points I am going to cover in this particular video. And don't worry, I will also give you a timeline so that you can direct jump over there for your related queries. So without any further delay, let's begin this video. Video thoda sa lamba banega. I would request you everyone, please watch video till the end. I think you will clearly see the screen. Okay, I think yes. Okay, so this video is I'm going to discuss BGC document related questions on BGC and NCP, PAN card, passport, Aadhaar card, NSRE card, Aadhaar address proof, affidavit, gap name change, address proof, birth certificate, 10 12th equivalent to 12th mark sheet and certificate, undergraduate, postgraduate. Okay, then after non criminal affidavit, medical certificate, experience letter, and question related to onboarding form, service agreement, offer letter, confidentiality agreement, residual joining, first date as TCS on explore program, incentives, changing if you want to change some application name or details. So let's see. First of all, you can see these are questions on initiating BGC. Is completion of BGC mandatory? Yes. Please note that your background check should be initiated after accepting the offer letter, and you must get an approval of a set 1 and set 2 document before getting joining letter. Uploading set 2 document based on the availability set 3 document you should prepare only after getting joining letter, and uploading the option of set 3 will be will be enabled only 15-day prior to your date of joining. So this is the set 1 documents. Just keep one screenshot so that you can easily get to know. If I'm going to discuss each and every point, the video is going to be 1 hour, more than 1 hour. Okay, so this is set 2 document, pending document if not uploaded early already. Okay, and you can see this is a set 3 document to be prepared only after getting joining letter. Option opens 15 days before date of joining. Non-criminal affidavit, medical certificate, and NSRE card. Okay, so NSRE card you will get you have to upload before 15 days of your joining. How and when can I upload the set 1 and set 2 and set 3 documents? So you must upload the set 1 document after accepting offer letter. Okay, once it is moved to the approval status, then set 2 document must be uploaded based on the ability. It is mandatory joining. And then after question number 3, BGC tab is active in my next step portal, but I didn't receive any mail to upload any document in BGC. Should I wait for the mail? Kindly do not wait to receive any email. Initiate your BGC. If you have all your required document in hand, please upload the same in BGC portal. Check the question number 1 in BGC related question. This one. Okay. Who can be my reference when I fill the reference detail? Then you need to provide the reference of your college professor, of your college TP or HOD of your college. If you are not hired by through campus, you can give reference to the person who referred you. I'm not able to open BGC page after logging next step portal. One click background check. I am returning to the home page. What should I do? Request you to check. Please clear the cache and latest version of browser, Google Chrome and Internet Explorer. Okay. How can I edit the detail in the BGC form if are not confirmed? Then please आप लोग एक बार देख रहे हैं, मेरे पास क्वेश्चंस पढ़ता हूँ, सॉल्यूशन आप लोग एक बार वीडियो को पॉज करके देख लें, ठीक है? वीडियो काफी लंबा बन जाएगा. Okay. How can I change my email address in BGC form? Okay. Then after should I select option yes or no for the ECNR in the BGC form? Please read ECNR description and update accordingly. Why I'm not able to view ILP corner and BGC next step portal? The process of enabling the option to view ILP corner and BGC in the next step portal happen in the phases. You will soon get access ILP corner and BGC in the next step portal. What is be done if I am facing error while submitting the BGC form? Do I need to upload original document or set of photocopies of self-attested documents? Please suggest a file format to upload document. Then while uploading BGC document, I'm getting a pop-up try after some time, due to which I am not able to submit document. Then all the document that I have uploaded on scanned in black and white will this document be accepted, or do I need to be colored scanned copies? Please upload colored scanned copy of a document. I erroneously uploaded a wrong document in BGC. How can I change the documents now? So you can change, you can see that the four processes there. I am facing a issue, technical issue, I'll print document, then submit the button is on, next step portal is not visible. Then what you have to do, I'm not getting any option to upload the my set of two document, highest qualification course, okay, my pre-final semester marksheet and bona fide with the addendum. एक बार आप लोग वीडियो को पॉज करो, आप लोग अच्छे से देख लो, ठीक है, मैं बोलूंगा वीडियो काफी लंबा बनेगा, ओके। क्वेश्चंस फॉर पेन कार्ड, इज पेन कार्ड मैंडेटरी, आई हैव लॉस्ट माय पेन कार्ड, व्हाट शुड आई डू, कैन आई सबमिट माय माइनर पेन कार्ड, आई हैव अप्लाइड फॉर पेन कार्ड, ओके। This is the complete process. Questions on passport are also already solved, okay. Then questions on NSR. Sir, NSR is mandatory. Yes, it is mandatory that the candidate should be complete both the phases of NSR registration and biometric process before joining TCS. Also note that you need to upload NSR e-card in the BGC portal, जो कि आपका 14 डिजिट का ITP पिन होता है, ओके। हाउ कैन आई डू माय रजिस्ट्रेशन, आपको बताया लिंक वगैरह दिया गया है। I already created a video for the NSR registration also, you can just search on YouTube as well. I have completed both phases of NSR but did not receive NSR e-card. You need to log in the NSR website to generate your e-card, okay. Then after what need to be mentioned in employee code while registering the NSR. There is lots of questions there. Where do I submit my IT pin number of NSR, okay, post NSR. So this is all the, and for the address proof you can see what will the upload in the BGC of address proof, and what should be the field in the period to stay, what will the field in longest stay, can I submit address proof and mother's name, okay. And this is the question affidavit. I have missed my name in a different document, example what is the gap, a change of address and a signature affidavit, questions on birth certificate, okay. And you can see I do not have original birth certificate. Is it okay to if I submit a download copy? Yes, it is okay, okay. Questions on 10 12th mark sheet already there, okay. There are lots of questions there. Questions on undergraduate postgraduate mark sheet, okay. Wait, I'm taking the time, just keep on screenshot, okay. And then after, can I join TCS before July if the college things not, yes, you can join TCS before July if you get the joining later, okay. So there are lots of questions already solved. You just pause this video and you will easily get to know. And can I submit my consolidated mark sheet? Yes, you can. I have not received my final semester mark sheet. Yes, you can join TCS before receiving the final semester result if you are getting joining later, okay. तो join letter पर depend करता है, can I join TCS before वगैरह वगैरह, okay. तो I think I passed this, okay. And I have is mandated to provide a provisional certificate to when join to CIS. Yes, you can select early date of joining provided, but you must submit the e-course completion bona fide आपका mandatory है. Questions on non-criminal affidavit, when I can upload my non-criminal affidavit in BGC tab, बताया गया आपको दो portion. Who can attest the documents? Can I tap blank in non-criminal affidavit, blanks in the non-criminal affidavit agreement each time, if applicable in other affidavit should be filled in blue or black pen, okay. So this is the question, medical certificate, when I prepare the medical certificate, and who should be sign the medical certificate, who will be the medical who can fill the medical certificate, okay. Questions on experience letter for those who have experience, questions on modding form, okay. So you will easily get to know questions on service agreement. You can just pause this video and just read all the details, okay. So this is there are lots of questions are there, okay. Let's see, residual joining, question offer letter, okay. Just pause this video, okay, because there are lots of questions there. Can I currently doing my internship, how do I still my joining, okay. Question of first day of joining, explorer program, incentives, okay. So this type of question on incentives, you can see what will you receive your incentives, okay. And if you want to change your process name, acceptance, etc. So this is the complete info. So if you have doubts, just watch the video again. You will get to know clear all your doubts. So मिलते हैं, जय हिंद, जय भारत.